Hello dear traders, happy Saturday. Today is the 17th of Feb. It's time for our weekly MK block summary. Let's start this time with pound dollar. So you may remember from the last MK block summary, we had the situation where the MTS was here above pound dollar, and we already had shorties coming in. So it was clear that the smart money wants to take it out this medium term stop. That happened on the 13th of Feb, still the same day. Look at this precision. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the power of the market causality. Look at that, boom. Exactly to the target by the pip and then all the way back down. These, by the way, are the situations where when you're trading a naked price chart and you're blind, where you get stopped out and the price then, for example, reverses in the right direction. And we have this leading information. We knew already hours before that this is going to happen, okay? So this is a very powerful example. Let's continue with pound dollar. So then on the 15th, we had an MTS above the price. And also overall, we see that on the day chart, the 200-day moving average has been cleared against those longies, and there are also now both sides moving averages. So pretty nice. Anyways, let's go back to euro dollar. So here we had the OST, okay, which got filled nicely, beautiful long trade there. Then this was interesting. So on the 1 hour chart with MTS, but on the 30-minute chart with an MTS below the price. So they took this MTS with a pullback below the price. And to make a long story short, so on the lower time frames, they cleared out the MTS and then went against the dumb money longies. And here you see nicely, okay, so similar to pound dollar, they also had an inner range MTS. The smart money does a pullback up against the dumb money shorties and takes it out, okay. You see also that while this happens, we still have shorties trying to sell again, okay, and they are leading to an upward slope in the squeeze line. So we know here already that this MTS is going to be taken out with a very high percentage, okay. These are easy trades which are doable. Okay, on that day we had the US news. Okay, so the MTS got taken, and as you can see, like next week, the upper big MTS can finally be taken, especially if some shorties keep on entering the market, okay. You see, sometimes my predictions unfold even over 2 weeks. Here we had a lot of flat price action, but as you can see, euro dollar has been giving. Okay, the OST, this MTS, and now probably next week also the upper MTS. So nice one, same like cable. So as predicted days before. Euro pound. So to make long story short, with longies in the market. So the algos pushed the market down against the dumb money bias. And then also that an inner range MTS, so they did a pullback up, they took the order gap zone, the gray area on the way, okay. And then in the end, they also already took the next MTS above the price, okay. So also take note of the fact that we had shorties coming in right after the first MTS has been taken, all right, and long is leaving, so shorties coming in, long is leaving. And therefore a nice move towards the next MTS, okay? In this case, a little bit advanced, but very tradable, make no mistake. Then it was interesting, so you see the price came up against the new shorties, but then we had old long positions above the price, while the high has been taken. So, of course, here the 4 hour reversal energy kind of dominates, and the price came off thereafter, okay? Australian dollar, so with the MTS below the price, boom, boom, boom. This gets nicely taken out, as predicted, kaboom, okay, just with the news. Then also like the other dollar pairs, okay, also new MTS about the price, therefore it's a smart money doing a pullback up against the shorties, taking the MTS, taking the order gap zone, okay, pretty much similar. And then later on we had the option strike target. And on the 16th, all of 3 of those got filled nicely. Look at that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, boom. All right. Why is this happening? Of course, because the shorties started leaving. So then they quickly go for the target. Beautiful trade. One of the best trades of the week. And look at this precision again. Look, they take this OSD with precision and then sharply reverse in the opposite direction. I mean, again and again we get shown the truth and precision of the market causality. Without this leading information, you have no chance of knowing these precise moves. Sorry. That can't be captured by anything statistical. I've said it a million times now. Okay, so Kiwi dollar at an MTS below the price, went down and took it out. Then with the news, they used the news to take the next MTS. Beautiful. And then they also had an MTS above the price and also did the pullback up to take it. Okay, very similar to Aussie dollar. No surprises. So Kiwi dollar has been very nicely behaving, just taking everything right and left. Also take note of this, okay, the 4-hour dynamics, how they took over, with shorties coming in here when the price was at the lower band, long is leaving, and then therefore 4-hour reversal energy up, okay, allowing them to do this kind of golden combination by taking the upper MTS. So the good trade, yeah. You have everything you need. You have the 4-hour reversal energy on your side, and you have an inner range target on the lower time frames. Even with an all gap zone, I mean, whenever, you know, there's no news anymore on the way, so that won't really go wrong, is it? Just wait for those simple trades, clear setups, place trades, and, you know, just collect your pips. Don't do experiments or trade low buy situations. Why? There's no point in doing that, really. Dollar cut, look at this, okay? Remember this screenshot, please. Again, look at the precision. Pin exactly to our target. We know hours before where that is. Okay, you see the smart money is getting more and more aggressive, but you see that we are really onto something here because we know where they want to go. This is powerful technology. Then with the news, they took the upper MTS against the shorties. And then guess what? On the 15th, they reverse all the way down because shorties get kicked out, the high has been cleared, so longies come in. Here you see the collapse of the shorties, so boom, they go for the lower MTS. Makes complete sense. And if you see the naked price chart, it all looks erratic. If you see the causality or technology, you see that everything makes sense. Look at that. Kaboom. Kaboom. This is what Forex is about. You need to understand those dynamics of the algos. That's what the algos use for deciding where to push the market next. Okay? Look at that. Shorties come in. Boom. Taken out. Longies come in. Boom. Taken out. This is destroying the dumb money. This is why those forex markets move up and down and exactly to those levels. Okay? And if you guys don't discover that as a collective, maybe in 100 years somebody will find it and say, oh my god, we saw it all here, but we were too ignorant. Let's hope not. Okay, let's hope that we grow our community nicely and people more and more use it and are aware of this. Okay, anyways, dollar yen, we have discussed it in the forum. So they read the LTS above the price of the shorties. So they, as expected and predicted before, they took the LTS. Okay, then we had this MTS above the price on the 15th. This one got taken out nicely within the next day. Kaboom, here we go at 428. Okay, so some nice moves there. Pound yen, one of the best trades here on the 12th. The 3 option strike targets. Shorties leaving. Boom. They quickly go and fill them. Beautiful option strike target trade. Then later on, a beautiful MTS trade as well. Okay. Take note of how the shorties start to leave the market and then they go for the move. Okay. This is a very important factor. Always respect it. Boom. And then on the 15th, they finally took the lower MTS. And guess what? Option strike target and upper MTS. So they just play Pac-Man, do a pullback and take everything out. How cool is this? Taking everything down there. Oh, option strike target and MTS on the upper side. Boom, taking that as well. You see how repetitive everything is. The algos really just do their thing every single day. They clear those targets subject to where the dumb money positions are. And they make sure that the dumb money traders as a collective lose while they collect pips. As simple as that. Okay, it should be clear as daylight now. If you did your homework, you will understand everything here. And you will understand how Forex really works behind the scenes. Okay? And now you see how painful it must be for me to see all this ignorance. People claiming all the things out there on the internet. Talking BS and just being ignorant. They have no clue how Forex actually works. Here you see how it works. Okay? Show me someone who was able to show these kind of things. There's none. Euro Aussie also amazing. So took the option strike target, took the MTS, kaboom. Both on the 12th. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. and then basically just cleared out MTS all week. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, some range trading there for advanced traders taking MTS. Okay, beautiful. Pound Aussie the same. Okay, option strike target filled, MTS filled, lower MTS filled, order gap zone filled. Then we have an MTS above the price, so boom, they go up and take the upper MTS, the medium term stop. Alright, this is how it works. And guess what? After the up move, there's an MTS below the price, shorties are leaving, so boom, they take the lower one. As simple as that. Come on. Maybe at some point I should stop the MK block summaries, because it's very repetitive, as you can see. Pound Aussie, the only interesting thing here was also in the longer time frame when the shorty stopped trading and left the market, then of course it normalized. Gold, so we had the MTS above the price, look at that. Then with the news, they quickly take exactly the MTS and then go all the way down. How crazy is this? Of course, in this case, you couldn't risk much because the news were a big news item and then was pretty neutral at the end of the week. Silver went down against all these longies. Yeah, longies kept on buying. Boom, they used the news to also clear them out. And then did a pullback towards the MTS similar to the dollar pairs. Okay, at the end of the week. And then even also from here went higher. Yeah, there we go. Boom, okay. Also filling the big order gap zone. There we go. Taking all the highs. This one a bit difficult to trade. I didn't trade silver here. Bitcoin, very interesting. Okay, remember that the difference to Forex is that the market is very sensitive to any dumb money short activity because most traders are just long traders. But you see, we had those shorties coming in when the price was still around the 48,000 level. And what happens? Boom, 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 boom. Okay, every day they just make new highs as a result. Taking out these dumb money shorties, yeah. Boom, look at that. Up to the point where, you know, they got the 52,000 mark, you see. Then some longies came in, so they stopped the momentum. But here is how this works. Okay, so great week. Very good trade setups. Not difficult to catch good trades in such a week, okay? All you need to do is follow the rules, identify the setups, wait for them, time them, trade them, protect the downside. That's it. No experiments, no over leveraging, no gambling, no, oh, should I maybe trade this? No, have the discipline and wait until these things develop in front of your eyes, like I have documented here, and then take your pips, okay? As simple as that. I've proven to you week after week, if you do that, you will be profitable, okay? Don't trade when there's a low bias market. Don't trade big news items with a lot of leverage. Okay, do not trade by using a lot of leverage without a stop on all these things. Okay, it's very common sense to a point. All you got to do is understand the market causality, study it, tape read it with every single session, increase your tape reading experience, and then all you got to do is just wait for those setups to unfold in front of your eyes. Take your trades, don't quickly take profit, but let the markets run to the target, okay? Do not just take a few pips, all right? Identify where the target is and give the trades time to get there. Do not just take a few pips, and if it goes against you, hold it out. That's not good. Often you see exactly where the price will reverse, so place your target a spread above it, let it hit the target, okay? That's what I'm doing myself, and that's the beauty of it, all right? Anyways, I wish you a great weekend. This was a really nice week. Lots of love to everybody.